Kuma-kun. Also, I'm so sorry that I'm yawning. I don't know why I'm so quiet. Or so quiet. So sleepy. Yawn compilation incoming. Stop! Stop talking about yawning!
Nice.
Stop talking about yawning, or I'll keep yawning. If you keep talking about yawning, I won't be able to stop. Stop it.
Get some help.
Stop. I can't look at chat because you're all... Yeah, see, you guys are making me yawn. Just stop. Oh, no. You guys are the reason I can't sleep lately. I hope you're happy.
Yes.
Yeah, you guys are keeping me up all night long.
Yes.
I need you to stop. I need to get sleep or I'm not going to be able to do a good job streaming.
Yes.
Stop keeping me up all night, jailbirds.